All right, there is some good news that did come in this morning. In a historic achievement, the Indian Space Research Organization successfully did the docking experiment this morning, docked the SpaceX satellites in space. This is a stellar feat, remember, because only 3 nations have been able to pull this off, India becoming the 4th country to possess rendezvous, docking and undocking capabilities. Oh no, all of this, remember, compared to US, Russia, China, India, as always, has done it on a budget. The docking experiment took place in the early hours, meticulously basically brought together 2 satellites as the chaser aligned with the target satellite. The tango was choreographed by the scientists from the ISRO. And now, remember, at a time like this, 2025 beginning with a great ambitious project already. We have Gaganyaan coming in the next few months and other initiatives too.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
A groundbreaking mission from the Indian Space Research Organization that is set to redefine India's capabilities in space exploration. On December 30th, 2024, ISRO successfully launched the Space Docking Experiment, or SpaceX. The SpaceX mission aims to position India among an elite group of nations capable of in-space docking technology. With this capability, India joins the ranks of the United States, Russia and China. This experiment is pivotal as it lays the groundwork for future missions involving both crewed and robotic spacecraft. This mission also supports ISRO's plans for upcoming initiatives like the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, India's planned space station. The technologies developed through SpaceX will facilitate the assembly of modules in low Earth orbit, which is vital for long-duration human spaceflight missions. SpaceX lays the groundwork for ISRO's ambitious plans, including the Gaganyaan mission, which aims to send Indian astronauts into space. The docking technology will also support future lunar missions like Chandrayaan-4, where precise docking capabilities will be necessary for operations on the lunar surface. The docking technology demonstrated in SpaceX can also be applied to satellite servicing mission, allowing for repairs or upgrades in orbit. This is ISRO's first ever test of a homegrown automated space docking system. By mastering docking technology, India positions itself as a key player in international space exploration initiatives. This capability will enhance collaboration opportunities with other nations on human spaceflight projects, fostering global partnerships in space science. Bureau Report, India Today.